Hello. Nomad Sculpt Quickshot Part 9. A sword. Let's make quick a sword. I switch to the Nomad app and this is the sword. I switch the post-processing off and I create a new scene. Yes. I delete the sphere and we need a box. I turn the Y. Okay. Sword. Okay. I turn the wireframe on and this is the front view. I switch to the top view. The division, I reduce the division to 1 and I rotate it a little bit and I change the box geometry. I make it a little bit smaller. I go to 1 again and why this changing happens, I don't know. One, one, one. This is the thickness of the sword and this is the height of the sword blade, I say. And let's have a look. Okay, I think it's okay. I validate it. And now we have to mask the zweimal. Oh, I forgot to make the Spitze. Okay, symmetry is off and I go to the gizmo and make it on the top like this and I clear the mask. And now we need another mask for the blade itself, the cutting edge, I think. Let's make only 1/2 of this. I invert it and use the gizmo to bring it out. I go a step back and try it like this. Yes, it's sharp. It's a little bit too much, I think. Okay. Now I can clear the mask and I mask the top. Go to the right view and use the gizmo. Where is it? Bring it here and bring it here. Okay. Let's use the symmetry tool when you have to adjust the symmetry, you can show the plane. Now symmetry is okay. You can adjust it, and you can now mirror from the right to the left, and you have a sharp sword. We don't need the plane anymore. We can turn it off. In this view, we can use the split tool. Make sure that the split tool is fill holes is off, and now we can use the rectangular, and I turn the outline on, that we see what we are doing. I trim it here, and for example I trim it here and another trim. And now we can select all the parts and simple merge them again. And now we can use the selection mask. Symmetry is off. Mask this part. Use the gizmo. Now you can scale the top of the blade a little bit. Clear the mask. Use the selection mask, for example, and select this part and invert it. And now you can adjust the middle part as you like. Okay, I think it's okay. Clear. This is the sword blade. Top, I rotate it to the right view. We can reset the view. Top. And now we go to the gizmo, look in the gizmo settings and move origin that the blade is in the middle. And now we can add a box again. We can rotate it a little bit and we can scale it and bring it up. I think it's a handle or something, or yeah. It's tricky to okay, we can reduce the division. We don't need a high division. Scale it. Okay. Front view. And validate it. Now we can add another part, a cylinder. We can bring the Okay, first we change the division. I think it's okay. And it's very tricky to bring this up with this new editing points. We change the radius at the start and at the end. Yeah, it's really tricky. Can move it so, on the end a little bit thinner. and we can validate it. And now we can scale it so, and bring it in position. Okay, and the last part is the end of the, we can use a ball. Okay, let's validate it. And now we can paint it. Go to the paint. I use this metalness, force paint all, and the handle or the grip. I got this, force paint all, and this. Force paint all, and let's make it golden. Okay, turn the wireframe off. And now this word is here. You can now remesh the parts or do your own things with it and sculpt it and make funny things with this word. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.